You already own the one habit that builds wealth. You just point it at the wrong thing all day long. You check your phone about 100 times a day. You refresh your messages. You scroll through strangers on vacation. You watch little numbers climb on a post. But if I asked you your checking balance right now, to the dollar, you would pause. If I asked what you spent last week, you would guess, and the guess would be wrong. You know the score of a game from 3 nights ago. You have no idea what is happening inside your own bank account. Today, I want to fix that with a habit so small it sounds like a joke, and so powerful it makes staying broke almost impossible. Here is the whole habit. Every single day, you look at your money. You open your accounts, you see the real numbers, and you spend about 5 minutes facing exactly where you stand. That is it. That is the entire thing. I know how small that sounds, and that smallness is exactly why it works, and exactly why almost nobody does it. To understand why people avoid something so easy, you have to meet the enemy. Psychologists call it the ostrich effect. It is the instinct to bury your head in the sand when information feels threatening. And money is one of the most threatening kinds of information there is. So people look away. They let the mail pile up unopened. They swipe the card without checking the balance. They tell themselves they will deal with it later, when the next paycheck lands, when life finally calms down. The avoidance feels like protecting yourself from stress. It actually works like a slow leak in a tire you refuse to inspect. That is the quiet truth about staying broke. It is almost never one giant catastrophic decision. Hardly anyone torches their finances in a single afternoon. It is 1,000 tiny moments you never looked at, adding up in the dark, while you were busy not wanting to know. The overdraft you did not see coming. The subscription you forgot you had. The slow drift of spending that only becomes obvious once it is far too late. Let me show you what the dark is hiding right now, because the picture is sobering. Heading into 2026, roughly 2 out of every 3 working people are living paycheck to paycheck. Not the unemployed, not the struggling few. 2/3 of people with real jobs and decent salaries spending essentially everything that comes in. The share of income people actually keep has slid to around 4%, down from more than 6% just 2 years earlier. People are earning more on paper and keeping less in real life. Then there is a number that makes accountants wince. Households now carry more credit card debt than at any point on record. And the average interest rate on that debt sits above 20%. That means the balance grows faster than most people can shovel against it. And when something breaks, when the transmission dies or the water heater quits, most households have nothing waiting to absorb the hit. Well over half of people say they could not cover a $1,000 emergency from savings. They would have to borrow, sell something, or simply go without. The ground keeps shifting the wrong way, too. The cost of the basics has been climbing a little faster than most paychecks. That small gap is the quiet reason so many people feel like they are running faster and somehow sliding backward at the same time. And here is the part that should stop you cold. When the margin between what you earn and what you spend gets thin, most people assume that looking at their money will just make them feel worse. The opposite is true. The tighter things get, the more that single daily glance becomes the thing standing between you and the credit card. So why does 5 minutes a day change everything? Because awareness is where every good money decision is born. You cannot fix a leak you refuse to look at. The moment you see your real numbers every day, 3 quiet things start to happen. First, the surprises disappear. No more mystery charges, no more forgotten subscriptions draining you in silence, because you catch them within a day instead of a year. Second, your spending changes on its own, without any willpower. It is almost impossible to mindlessly overspend on Friday when you look your balance in the eye on Thursday. The watching itself becomes the break. The third thing is the most powerful, and it is emotional. The daily glance slowly kills the fear. The first few times you open those accounts, it stings. Your heart rate climbs a little. But by the second week, the numbers stop being a monster under the bed and start being just information. And information is something you can act on. Fear freezes you. Familiarity frees you. You stop avoiding your money and start quietly steering it. You might be thinking that an app already does this for you, that notifications and automatic budgets have it handled. They do not, and here is why. A notification is something that happens to you while you are distracted by 10 other things. It flashes, you glance, you forget. The daily habit is something do on purpose with your full attention for 5 quiet minutes. That difference is everything. Automation can move your money, but it cannot make you understand your money. Only looking does that. The people who quietly build wealth are almost never the ones with the fanciest apps. They are the ones who actually know their numbers because they choose to see them. There is a second reason the manual glance wins. It rebuilds your relationship with money one day at a time. Avoidance teaches your brain that money is dangerous, something to flinch away from. Every day you look and survive, you teach it the opposite lesson, that money is just a tool you can hold without fear. That quiet retraining is worth more than any budgeting template because it changes how you feel, and how you feel is what actually drives what you spend. Let me make this real with a person. A man I will call Elias avoided his accounts for years. He was not reckless. He was just scared, so he never looked. He assumed he was doing fine until the overdrafts told him otherwise. One day, he decided to try the 5-minute habit, mostly to prove it would not work. The first week felt awful. By the third week, he had already caught 2 subscriptions he had forgotten, and a bank fee he could cancel with a phone call. Within a few months, for the first time in his life, the number was going up instead of down. Nothing about his income changed. The only thing that changed was that he started looking. Now let me hand you the exact routine, because a vague habit is a habit you will drop. Pick one fixed time each day and anchor it to something you already do. Right after your morning coffee works well. Open your main checking account and read the balance out loud in your head. Glance at the last day of transactions and ask one question. Does anything here surprise me? Then look at one number that matters to you. Maybe your savings, maybe a debt you are paying down, and notice which direction it moved. That is the whole ritual. 5 minutes, no spreadsheet required, no guilt allowed. You are not judging yourself. You are just refusing to be a stranger to your own money. Once the daily glance feels natural, you can add one small weekly step that multiplies it. Pick a single day, maybe Sunday, and take 10 minutes instead of 5. Look at the whole week at once and ask a slightly bigger question. Where did the money actually go? And does that match what I care about? You are not building a rigid budget. You are just zooming out far enough to spot the patterns. A single day cannot show you. The daily glance catches the surprises. The weekly glance catches the drift. Together, they leave almost nowhere for money to quietly leak out of your life. A few things will try to stop you, so let me disarm them now. You will be tempted to skip the days when the news is bad, when you overspent and you do not want to see it. Those are the most important days to look. The bad days are exactly when awareness saves you from making it worse. You will also be tempted to turn 5 minutes into an hour of anxious budgeting. Do not. The power is in the daily glance, not in the marathon session. Small and consistent beats big and rare every single time. Because a habit you actually keep is worth more than a perfect system you abandon in a week. And here is the quiet magic of doing this every day. The wealthy staircase you are trying to climb is not built in one giant leap. It is built one small step at a time, one day of awareness stacked on top of the last. Each glance is a single stair. On its own, it looks like nothing. But repeat it across a year, then 5 years. It quietly moves you from the person who is afraid to open their banking app to the person whose money is calm, visible, and growing. The habit compounds the same way the money does. So here's the truth. It really is almost impossible to stay broke if you do this every single day. And the reason most people never escape is simply that they never start. They keep their heads in the sand and call it peace. You do not have to. The most powerful financial move available to you tonight costs nothing, takes 5 minutes, and starts the moment you decide to look. So open the app, read the real number, and take your first stare. Then do it again tomorrow. That is the whole secret. And it has been sitting in your pocket the entire time.